Okay, good afternoon. Welcome, guys. This is another analysis. Today is Sunday, the 31st of August 2025, and once again, this is our analysis for the US dollar and other pairs. So, last time we were talking about seeing a bullish dollar, but that didn't happen, you know. That's how it is in this marketplace. Sometimes what you expect to see, you do not see it. And as a result, you have to come around and do what you have to do. So, presently now, price didn't rally. But instead, it it remained in a particular level. Yeah, if you see that, you can see that in this area, I was expecting price to rally last week and last 2 weeks to rally up to this level here, but we didn't see that. Price was kept in this range, and once again, this is the weekly chart. So within these 3 weeks, you see there has been no much movement. Look at it on the daily chart. No much movement in this area. So I don't think that price will be rallying anymore. But I now expect, and based on my seasonal charts and other analysis I've made, we want to see the US dollar have a quick decline, take probably this low and ultimately this low. And by October, we'll start to see movement higher. So that is what we are expecting on the US dollar. We want to see price go down, and we are also selling US dollar because last week, then gold and silver were just rallying, you know. Gold and silver just rallying, and we also expect Bitcoin and crypto to rally, Bitcoin and Ethereum USD to rally because the dollar will be tanking this month of September. So looking at dollar, we can see, I mean, that's a lot of trading. See, we are selling there, but we are stopped out. So we'll be going back in for another sell position on the dollar. Now BTC, we want to see price decline, and we will not be buying until much later. I think personally, Bitcoin wants to exhaust this upward trend, and we will see some correction. So that's what I see on Bitcoin. I wouldn't be buying Bitcoin until it gets down to 102 level. Ethereum, I'm personally on this, and I would like to see higher prices while US dollar goes lower. I want to see higher prices on Ethereum, and if it goes lower, I'll still buy more. Okay, gold. You see last week. Last week was just bullish. You see that, and it has left us with a new bullish order block there. And then last week we were buying and selling both on our funded account. So next week we also expect to see price open, correct a little bit into this level, and at 3,400 for one something we will be buying gold to see higher prices while the US dollar declines. Same goes for silver, higher prices throughout last week, open decline, rally away. Next week once it open decline again and rally away. Your USD will likely see higher prices. On the Euro US dollar. So there you have it before price begins to decline. GBP USD, same thing. Once the next week open decline into our buy limit, and then now speed off higher to 1.3700. USD card, want to see you continue to decline and take the triple bottoms here into this level before we start to buy in October. See it to complete this market maker sell model here. There's the JPY. We expect to see lower prices, and next week we'll continue to see lower prices, and we are waiting for market structure to break to bearish. That's what we want to see. There's the JPY. The CHF, you see, is very weak compared to USD card and USD JPY. So right here is a daily bearish order block. This is where I want to see price, want to hunt bearish programs, sell programs on the lower time frame. Hey, so that is as well we're talking about. As the week opens, we'll be hunting more sell programs on CHF. Yeah, with that, guys, that's the end of my analysis.